guys, so today I will be doing an unboxing of the Rose Gold iPad 32 gigabytes 6th generation. I'm just going to be using a mail opener. I'm going to grab the camera. Okay. So this is what it looks like on the side. It says iPad on this side and on this side. So this is what it looks like. And it has a little thumbprint home button. It's a rose gold. So now I'm going to take it out of the box. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to show. Okay. Here's the little tab. And it goes on the back. This is what brand new looks like. Okay. Brand new. Has a little mirror. Now we're going to click the home button. We'll have to charge it up. Put that off to the side. And now we're going to do what's inside the box. So we have the charger. And then we have designed by Apple in California. And this has welcome to iPad. Then it shows all the stuff for that. Then here's the little square for it. And that's it. Okay. So now I'm going to take off the plastic on the box thing. On the box of the charger. So this thing. bunch of different stuff in this little packet. So I'm going to charge it up and then see what happens. So I just turned it on and it's saying all the hellos and stuff like that. So exciting. Apparently it's at 72%. And press the home button to open. I'm going to start setting it up.